Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Premium auto styling. Today, we already been working on this Urus, as you guys seen in the previous shots. This is a special client. It's Chris Wheeler. We've wrapped a bunch of his cars. At least for the cars that I've wrapped for him was the McLaren, the Raptor that we did tan. We wrapped his Cullinans. Daniel has a crazy story about wrapping his M5 a long time ago. So he's a good client of ours. He brought in his Urus to us. Gloss black Urus, cool spec, nice interior, has yellow and stuff. He has yellow calipers. So he wanted to do something kind of classy, but at the same time still sporty. So we shot him some options, or Daniel shot him some options of what colors he should choose from. And he ended up choosing this Enos Tech Midnight Gloss Purple. And it's gonna look super dope. It's gonna look like Lakers, of course. But yeah, gloss black car. We already saw it on this roof, fenders. We really didn't go too deep as far as installing this, talking about it. But you guys obviously know it's Enos Tech. It's a little bit more of a more careful install. Takes a little bit more time. We did a Range Rover, well, just last week. I did a Range Rover in midnight green. We'll show some clips of it. Just kind of felt like practice for me. Not practice, but just doing it again. So I'm 2 weeks back to back with Enos Tech. But yeah, so right now I'm about to lay these two doors. But I've also did this trunk back here. This trunk, same thing, purple. We're gonna be leaving gloss black accents throughout the whole vehicle, like the handles, the mirrors, and roofs. We're gonna leave gloss black trims on the doors, the diffuser, matches the wheels. But then we also got this purple car. It's a Tesla Model 3 going purple as well. So we're doing a lot of satin dark grays, but now we're doing a lot of purples now, you know? Purple rain. Yesterday I had an issue with the vinyl because this Enos Tech really sucks up a lot of dust, and I laid this door right here. This is not an easy door because with Enos Tech you really got to shrink back the material on your little recess areas. So this whole body line right here, the vinyl needs to be lifted up, shrank, and you got to feed it in right here. And while you're doing that, the vinyl's folded down, so you have the adhesive just exposed. And when I did that, Anthony decided to open up that gate, and it was kind of windy. So all the breeze and wind just came in, picked up all the dirt, and I got a lot of dust specks right here. So I mean, it happens, we're not perfect. So we took off the door, and then unfortunately, this Lambo truck, we don't have enough extra material to redo this door, so we ordered more. So I'm at a standstill with this door. It's about to be 11 a.m. and we're about to lay a quarter panel. And yeah, it doesn't look hard. I don't know, you guys, I'm just kind of going with the flow. But it has this crease. I gotta kind of feed in this area. It's Enos Tech. I gotta shrink it back, let it relax down, and it's a process with Enos Tech. It always is.
This material is very staticky, and because it's very staticky, that means it literally will pick up dust from your clothes, from the floor, from anywhere. Because as you work with it, it just attracts dust to it. So
we have to pick up the vinyl a lot too, in order to feed areas in. It's gonna be picked up a lot, so every dust that's around the edge is going to get sucked back in, and
yeah, so you got to take extra precaution with this material. So one of the things that we've been doing is soaking the area around it, misting it with water, misting the top of the vehicle, just everything that you can, because that'll control the dust containing the tad bit.
at the shop. It's Monday, as y'all know, my favorite day of the week. I haven't really been talking a lot as far as the Urus goes, cause like, it's hard. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we did that Range Rover last week in Enos Tech, but this like, it doesn't compare to the Range Rover, cause the Range Rover is like all like pretty flat and easy panels. This car just has a lot of like crazy body lines. Like, just laying this Enos Tech on these body lines, you can't lay it like regular vinyl. You have to actually shrink the material on each body line, because if you don't, the reason why you have to shrink it is because the material is, obviously it's, we said this before, it's pre-stretched. So if you lay that material in here flat, over time in the sun, it's gonna shrink on its own, resulting in bubbles. And you don't want bubbles in your wrap. So it takes a lot longer. So, but I mean, I made good progress. This is, I think I started this car, I started Monday last week, but I didn't get to work on it the whole week. I had to jump on other projects, but I got most of it done. I have this whole side done. We're also doing the little rocker panels in the bottom, all color matched. So obviously that takes a little bit more time. We're also gonna be wrapping this like diffuser area. So obviously that's another piece, and it's pretty complicated. Has like this little recess, little area, little drop in. These sensors are pretty tricky. I gotta like really like get this really good. And then we're gonna be leaving the inside of the diffuser gloss black, but everything else from above this line purple. A couple inlays, as you probably guessed it. I'm probably gonna inlay this little like tail light area. I'm gonna inlay this little bottom piece right here. Just everywhere that I know the material is not gonna be able to like just go into at one piece. And then yeah, this is gonna probably take me all day. It's a hard bumper, and it's going Enos Tech, like I mentioned. But yeah, I'm gonna just get started.